Hello, in this video I will show you how to find the TRC20 address in Binance. Now it's an extremely easy process. So all you have to do is just simply open your browser. So just simply open Binance. After that, just simply log into your own Binance account. Now once you're all logged in, what you have to do is you have to first go to the asset section, or you can also click on the deposit section right over here. So choose deposit. Then just simply click on deposit crypto. After that, what you have to do is just simply go to the coin section and choose USDT. Now in the network section, you have to choose TRX, which is also known as TRC20, as you can see right over here at the very bottom. So just simply choose this network. Now make sure to choose the proper network. If you will choose the wrong network, you will lose your crypto forever. So just simply keep that in mind. Now once you will choose the TRC20 network over here, you will notice a barcode and an address bar. So this is the wallet address for TRC20 network, and it is going to transfer USDT. Now you can directly copy the address right over here, or you can just simply send the image of this barcode. Both of them will work just fine. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.